Zane sat in his tiny apartment, staring at his laptop screen. He had just $500 in his bank account, and his job barely covered rent. He had always been fascinated by the stock market, but the numbers, charts, and complex terms scared him. One evening, while scrolling through YouTube, he stumbled upon a video titled, "How a Broke Guy Turned $500 into $50,000 in Stocks." The thumbnail showed a guy grinning with a massive portfolio. Zane clicked on it, skeptical but intrigued. The video explained how compound interest, patience, and the right stocks could transform even a small amount into a fortune. He decided to take a chance. He spent the next month devouring books, watching tutorials, and studying companies. Finally, he made his first move, buying shares of a small but promising tech startup. The company was working on AI-driven automation, and Zane believed in its potential. He invested $500 and waited. Days turned into weeks, and his stock barely moved. He felt frustrated, but held onto his shares. Then, one morning, he woke up to breaking news: tech startup secures multi-million-dollar deal with Tesla. Zane's heart pounded. He refreshed his stock portfolio. His $500 investment had tripled overnight. Instead of cashing out immediately, he reinvested the profits into another company, this time an energy firm developing revolutionary solar panels. His strategy was simple: buy low, stay patient, and reinvest wisely. Within a year, his portfolio had grown to $50,000. His coworkers laughed when he first talked about investing, but now they were asking for advice. One day, he walked into his boss's office, handed in his resignation, and left with a smile. Zane was no longer trapped in a job he hated. He was now a full-time investor, living life on his terms. Moral of the story: knowledge, patience, and calculated risks can turn even a small investment into a life-changing fortune. Would you ever take a risk like